Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. How are you? Yeah, is my screen okay? Is my screen clear? Is my screen fine? Okay, so guys, welcome to this pre-London session market analysis. Sorry for the some technical errors that we have, but now we are back. Now, okay, because I want just to go in to analyze this market to see the overall market trend, to see now what are we predicting today on the both currencies and gold and each and every currency that we are going to analyze. So allow me to start analyzing the market. Now, this is a pre-London session market analysis. So let's have a daily outlook on the market. Let's see what we are predicting. Let's see our daily view, our weekly view, and so we can see we can get an opportunity so that we can trade. Okay. Now, as usual, let's start with XAUSD, starting with higher time frame, like at least a daily time frame or a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, yes, we are bullish on gold. That's true. We are bullish on gold. The reason being, the market has come back to the order block, to the OB level. We are by now anticipating for more buys opportunity at those structures. So we are bullish on this market at this level, okay? So gold on weekly time frame, we are bullish. So this week, or our anticipation or our prediction this week on gold, we're anticipating it to continue being bullish, to create more highs this week, okay? That's our anticipation this week on XAUSD, looking for more bullish opportunity, looking for more buys opportunities on it. Now, that said on gold, you already know what you should be doing. You should be looking for any opportunity so that you can go on with the market. Okay. So if you go on the lower time frame, if you go on the daily, the 4 hour, the 2 hour, the 1 hour time frame, you should be looking for any chance so that you can get those buys opportunities on XAUSD. Now here we are on a daily time frame on gold. So that's how the daily time frame look like. It's kind of forming some bullish momentum on it. It's kind of bullish, forming some bullish momentum on gold. Though it has been consolidating for some time here, but we are all looking for more bullish momentum on it. Now, we have a very strong structure there at that level, and now we have another bullish momentum at this structure. So looking at it at that level, the market has been, yes, it has been bearish, but this week we're anticipating for a bullish momentum on gold due to weekly OB, also the overall daily trend. But now we have a very strong structure where the market has been respecting for some time. You can see whenever the market touches to that level, it respects. So we should be looking for any chance for us to buy gold at this structure for a bullish momentum. Okay, so how will we look at that? So we should lower the time frame at least on our 2-hour time frame. That's how the market look like on a 2-hour time frame for more bullish momentum on it. Now on a 1-hour time frame for more clarity. That's how the market look like on a 1-hour time frame. So yeah, everything looks clean for a buy opportunity. But now lowering back to 2-hour time frame. That's how the market look like on a 2-hour time frame. So I would love if you have a breakout, a very clean breakout. Now maybe a retracement to that level, to the trend line for more buys opportunities on gold. Okay, for more buys opportunities on gold. This will be a long-term buy. But remember, if you're a day trader, you should be targeting some zone like Kamai. Okay, so once if that market break that structure retrace to perfection, that's where you should be looking for a long position, buy opportunity or a buy option targeting this level. So a long position on it, once you hit a break retrace, then I'm sure this market will be having that bullish momentum on it. And then yes, you should be looking for a long position. Once if it does that, and a higher high low, then I think so you'll be okay buying XAU USD. You'll be okay buying XAU USD at that level. So guys, what the main reason, or what's key here? What's key now is just this market to break this level. You can't trade, you can't buy at this structure now. Always buy up as high. Why are you buying on a supply? Why are you buying on a high? No. So but once if it breaks above, forms a new high, then our retracement for an high low, I think so it will be okay. We will be okay buying it, targeting the next level, which will be this structure. Okay. So guys, that's my view on gold today. Everything looks clean, a very good analysis, a very good setup coming up. But once if it breaks, forms a new higher low, then everything will be okay for a buy opportunities on gold. A buy opportunity coming on gold. Once if it breaks that structure, forms a new high. Now retrace back to the higher low on a trend line level for more buys opportunities on XAU USD. So guys, stay calm. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully, you can get that high low so that you can be in the game for a bullish momentum on it. Nice. So the next pair, allow me to go now to the currencies. As usual, let's have some look at it. AUD USD. So AUD USD on 4 time frame. This market has been consolidating for some time. From yesterday, the market has just been there. So no need to force a trend until we see some very clean movement. So this market has been consolidating. So no view at this pair because it's consolidating. But you know how on a consolidation market works. You draw the low. Okay. Once if you draw the low, and also you draw the high. Okay. You draw the low and the high. So what should you do once if you draw the low and the high? Once if a market breaks a structure, maybe if it can break low, be guaranteed that market will drop because it's a consolidation. And also if it can break above, either way, that market can buy. Okay. So what should you do on a consolidation market? You should wait for either a breakout. below ikibreak side ya chini, well, we are going to sell. Also ikibreak side ya juu, we are going to do what? We are going to buy. So either way on that market, below or above, you'll be okay to go with the direction. You'll be okay to go with the direction. Okay, so that's AUD USD. Okay, now someone is saying, is my sound okay, guys? And also my screen. Just confirm on the comment section before I continue. Yeah, I think so. I'm clear. I'm okay. Nice. So let me go to the next pair. So on AUD USD, tumesema we are waiting for either way breakout above or below, so that we can go with the direction of the market where the market has confirmed. That's this is AUD JPY. AUD JPY it has been bearish. The reason being, the market has been creating new lower, low, lower high. Look at that structure. The market has been moving, creating new lower, low, lower high, lower, low, lower high for more bearish momentum. Okay, so what should you do? We just continue with the trend. We'll just continue with the trend. Trend is your friend. Go with the trend. Okay, now we have a new structure here, a very good zone at this level. So once if this market now goes back to a higher low at this structure, so that you can continue selling. Are we getting? So once if this market pull back to that level, that's when you should be looking for more short position in this market, targeting the next lows evo. So we just continue with the trend because the trend is our friend, and that's how the market is moving on higher time frame. We are on a 2-hour time frame. Very good lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. So once if you have a new lower low, because we can't trade on a low, come up. But once if you have a new lower low formed, a new BOS created, now just a pullback or a retracement to those structure, that's when you should be looking for more sales opportunity, on that AUD JPY. Okay. Nice. Next pair, which is USD JPY. USD JPY, as usual, start with higher time frame to see the overall trend of the market. We're on a daily time frame on this, so you can all see it's bullish in a buy. It's bullish. So here we are on a 4-hour time frame on USD JPY. The market here is bullish. Now creating sort of a if I lower the time frame more, we can all see that it's kind of creating sort of it created sort of an inverted head and shoulder pattern here, kinda, right? An ugly inverted head and shoulder. And now we had a zone here. What was it? We had a neckline. It's neckline at this level. So more probability for this market to respect one way, either sells or buys. But now, how should we know that if it can respect sales? What should we anticipate in that market? So if this market now breaks the low, this low or this structure, Pachini, we should be looking for a sales opportunity, because a very strong head and shoulder pattern can make this market change the trend from being bullish to now bearish. And now, how can we get an opportunity for us to trade? Once if it breaks, creates a new lower low and then a lower high, then I'm sure this market is going to drop up to the next structure, which will be this level. So you should be waiting for that change of character to happen, not a BOS but a change of character. Okay. Once if this market changes the character here, I think so you'll be okay selling it. You'll be okay selling that market. So that's a USD/JPY view for today. USD/JPY. Once if that market changes the character, remember we have an head and shoulder pattern. The market has been bullish, but now once if it changes the character low, I think so you'll be okay dropping it. That market will be okay dropping. So just stay calm. Let's see how will it behave. Will it go? Will it follow analysis for an entry? Then okay. Now we have a GBP/AUD and higher time frame. Look at this. On the 4-hour time frame, we can all see that this market has been bullish up to a certain structure. Let's go on daily time frame. It's bearish on a 4-hour time frame. It's also bearish. The reason being the market broke the structure here. No, change the character at this level. Right? The market changed the character at that level. On the 2-hour time frame, yes, a new lower, low, lower high for more sales opportunity. On a 1-hour time frame, yeah. So guys, yeah, these are very clean entry for an instant sales opportunity on GBP/AUD, because we already even have an engulfing candlestick for a sales opportunity, targeting the next structure, which will be this low, right? This is the next low that we are anticipating for this market to come to. Stop loss now, it will be just a little bit above that level. So for more short position opportunity. So this one, guys, is an instant sales on GBP/AUD. So sell it. So stop loss at around 1.9 to 989. Okay, take profit. TP at around 1.928. So guys, this is an instant trade, an instant sales on GBP/AUD. So if you have your account ready on a GBP, go on your MT5 GBP/AUD. We're going to sell it right now. Make sure you have used proper risk management. Use a lot, says that it's okay with your account. Don't overdo. GBP/AUD. Yes. So everything looks clean for a sales opportunity on it. So guys, these are an instant sales on GBP/AUD. Yeah? Yeah, so these are instant sales on GBP/AUD right away. So if you have did, umechukua, well and done. Next pair. So let's see how the market goes. So let me drag to my favorite. That will be our favorite pair for now. Euro/AUD. Euro/AUD on higher time frame. It's kind of forming a pattern. If you can see that, which pattern? It's kind of forming a head and shoulder pattern at that level. That one, yeah. That is a pattern. You have this as a neckline. So we have head, shoulders, shoulders. Now, once if this market changes the character, it's not bearish for now. It's just a bullish, but now formed a pattern. But we don't have a change of character yet. But once if this market comes and break this structure below this the previous low, that's when you should be having a change of character, a change of trend. Now you'll be waiting for a pullback or a retracement so that you can have sales targeting the next level, which will be this low. So once if this market changes the character there, forms a new lower low, lower high, I think so we'll be okay having those short position. So these are head and shoulder pattern, looks more sales opportunity, but we can't risk on the shoulders. But once if you have a change of character, that's when we will be going to risk that pair. That's Euro AUD. That's Euro AUD. Euro USD. This market has been bearish. It has been dropping for some time for us for some time. So now, because the market is bearish, it has been moving very good, creating lower, low, lower highs. Now, let's zoom in more, get more clarity on, because you can see whenever the market breaks a structure, the market always pull back to the level where it broke the structure. Come up. The market has been bearish, forming new lower, low, lower high. So very clean structures. Look at this. But guys, whenever you understand the trend of the market will be very, very simple. You can just get an instant trades. Come easy. Look at this. You could have sold on a higher low, come up, waiting for a new low, resell again on the lower high. Waited for a new low, again a pullback, sell it on the structure. Very good pips. Again, good pips. Because of the trend of the market, you know how the market works. You know structures. You know lower, low, lower highs. Never complicate trading. Use those simple. That's how the market respects. Don't overdo trading. Use it to make it simple. So once this market changes the character there, a retracement for more sales. And that's how we are anticipating Euro USD more sales opportunities. Once you get a break and retrace, you are going to drop. That market is going to drop. As market is going to drop. Once you get a break retrace, you'll be looking for more short position on it. GJ, GBP, JPY. GBP, JPY. The structure on GBP JPY is not that much clear on a higher time frame, but on the lower time frame, look at it on the 2-hour time frame, the 2-hour view. No any good clarity, so no need to force an entry. But the market is kind of reacting on these levels. That's my view on GJ. That's my view on GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Excuse me. So that's my view on GBP JPY. Looking for a long position because the trend is kind of changing now to bullish. So once if that market maybe respects, because you can see it's kind of respecting those levels. So maybe you might have those bullish momentum on that GBP JPY, because we had an 1 hour OB. Yes, the market has already picked those buys opportunity. Okay. So bullish momentum on GBP JPY. Next, okay, let me go to US30. Most of you guys are on the comment section saying US30. So US30, how is US30? US30 yesterday gone to our favor. A very good sales on it yesterday. We due to 1 hour OB. Market came and respected to perfection, sold. Yeah, so now today's view. So today's views on US, the market has already closed above the OB, so we can't really say that again. We are using this OB for an entry, but lowering the time frame to at least 30 minutes. That's how the market on a 30-minute time frame. So let's see how this market can react in the next 50 minutes for us to confirm if this market is gonna buy again, because the market has already formed a new BMS. So once if this market rejects this level, that's when you'll be going interested on buys opportunities on or a long position on US30. A long position on US30. A long position on US30. And go back to gold. XAU USD. So nothing confirmed yet. Let's stick with the higher time frame view, because that's what will guide us. That's when now atuta miss. But once you lower the time frame, once you can focus on the lower time frame, it would be good. So at least focus on higher time frame. Higher time frame come once you have a breakout, and then you're clearly seeing that this market has already broke the trend. The market has already broke the structure. That's when you'll be okay. So stick with the higher time frame, like how we did, and I think so the market will pay you. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this New York session, the pre-London session market analysis with I. So as usual, let's meet at 3 p.m. for the New York session market outlook, market analysis for live entries, and also live analysis. So go follow the currencies that we have analyzed, the ones that we have seen some entries, the other that we are waiting for them to react. So wait for them. Once if it respects, then good. With that said, guys, have a good day. Have a peaceful one, and see you guys the next time. Bye.